Some cars try too hard to impress you. And some cars quietly grow on you, until one day you realize you actually want them. The Hyundai Tucson is dangerous like that. Because it doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. And once you get it, it's hard to unsee why people are suddenly talking about this car everywhere. Pause. Let's talk about it. The Tucson isn't trying to be a sports car. It's not pretending to be a luxury SUV either. What it is trying to be is the smartest all-rounder in its class. This is the car for people who want modern design, solid comfort, and tech that actually makes life easier, without paying a premium badge tax. That's why it's getting attention. It feels like Hyundai stopped chasing competitors and started building what buyers actually want. And honestly, that confidence shows. Let's start with the exterior. Because this is where opinions get loud. You either look at the Tucson and think, whoa, that's bold, or you think, why does it look so different? But here's the thing, different is exactly the point. The front end has presence. Sharp lines. That hidden lighting design that blends into the grille. It looks futuristic without looking like a concept car that escaped an auto show. From the side, the body lines feel intentional. Not random, not messy. And from the back, it looks planted, wide, confident. This is not a boring crossover you forget in a parking lot. Now step inside, and this is where the Tucson quietly wins hearts. The cabin feels clean, modern, calm. The dashboard flows instead of shouting. Screens are integrated instead of slapped on. Materials feel better than you expect at this price point. Soft touches where your hands actually go. Controls that make sense. And the space. This thing feels airy. Plenty of headroom. Plenty of legroom. You don't feel boxed in. It feels like a place you'd actually enjoy spending time in. And that emotional reaction matters more than people admit. Now let's talk about how it drives. No spec sheet reading here. This is about feeling. You start it up, pull out onto the road. And the first thing you notice, it's smooth. The engine doesn't shout. It doesn't beg for attention. It just does its job, quietly and confidently. Acceleration is respectable, not neck snapping, but responsive enough that merging and overtaking never feel stressful. The steering, light, but predictable. It's easy to drive, easy to place on the road, easy to live with. This is the kind of car that doesn't tire you out after a long day. On highways, it feels stable, planted, comfortable at speed. In the city, it's relaxed, not twitchy, not awkward. And that's the secret sauce. The Tucson doesn't try to be exciting in a flashy way. It's exciting because it makes driving feel effortless. That's confidence. Let's be honest. No car is perfect. So let's talk strengths first. Strength number 1. Design. Love it or hate it, it stands out. And in a world full of copy-paste SUVs, that's powerful. Strength number 2. Interior quality and tech. Everything feels modern, user-friendly, thought through. It feels like Hyundai actually listened to complaints people had with older systems. Strength number 3. Comfort. This is a daily driver's dream. Smooth ride, quiet cabin, relaxed personality. Now, weaknesses. Because yes, there are some. Weakness number 1. If you're expecting sporty excitement, this isn't it. The Tucson is calm, not aggressive. Driving enthusiasts might want more punch. Weakness number 2. Some controls being touch-based. They look clean, sure. But physical buttons are still easier while driving. Weakness number 3. Brand perception. Let's be real. Some people still judge cars by logos. And for them, Hyundai doesn't carry the same status as some rivals. But honestly, that's their loss. This car makes sense for a very specific type of person. Someone who values comfort over showing off. Someone who wants modern tech without learning a manual. Someone who wants reliability and peace of mind. If you're a young professional, a small family, or someone upgrading from an older sedan or hatchback, the Tucson feels like a big step forward. It's perfect for daily commuting, weekend trips, long drives where comfort matters more than lap times. This is the car you buy when you want your life to feel easier, not louder. And here's the real question. Do you want a car that tries to impress strangers? Or a car that quietly impresses you every single day? Because the Hyundai Tucson doesn't chase hype. It builds trust. Now I want to hear from you. Would you pick the Tucson over its competitors? Or is there another SUV you think does it better? Let's talk in the comments.